The telescope was supposed to open the universe, yet when the first images arrived, the stars looked smeared, as if the cosmos itself had blinked and missed the moment. In the late 1980s, inside clean rooms that hummed like cathedrals of science, engineers whispered promises into polished mirrors. The Hubble Space Telescope would rise above Earth's blur, above clouds and politics and gravity itself. It would be flawless. It would be forever. And it would be expensive, far more expensive than anyone wanted to admit. By the time Hubble launched in 1990, the price tag had swollen into the billions. Headlines sharpened their knives: boondoggle, vanity project, taxpayer telescope. Every delay, every revised estimate, every congressional hearing stacked pressure onto a dream already straining under its own weight. Then came the images. Not crisp galaxies, not distant newborn stars, but blur. A tiny flaw in the primary mirror, microscopic, almost laughably small, had bent the light just enough to betray the mission. Scientists stared at screens in silence. Somewhere between disbelief and dread, a realization settled in. The most advanced eye humanity had ever built could not see clearly. The media pounced. Late-night jokes followed. Editorials asked how the world's richest nation could launch a telescope that needed glasses. The cost overrun controversy ignited into a cultural spectacle. Proof, critics said, that big science was reckless, arrogant, and out of control. Inside NASA, the mood darkened. Engineers retraced measurements. Managers reread memos. Astronauts trained in pools the size of football fields, rehearsing repairs no one had planned to make. Failure hung in the air like static, heavy, inescapable. And yet the story did not end there. In 1993, a space shuttle rose once more, carrying astronauts armed with corrective optics. Cosmic contact lenses forged from humility and grit. In orbit, gloved hands worked with surgeon's care. Bolts turned, panels closed. The fix was in. When the first corrected images arrived, the room erupted. Galaxies bloomed into focus. Pillars of gas rose like ancient temples. Light that had traveled for millions of years finally found a clear path to human eyes. The same telescope once mocked as a failure became a revelation machine, rewriting textbooks, reshaping our sense of place, and returning value beyond any ledger. The controversy didn't vanish. The cost overruns were real. The mistakes were real. But so was the lesson. Exploration is never cheap. Clarity often comes after error, and sometimes the price of reaching farther is learning how to see again. If this story expanded your view of the universe, like, share, and subscribe to help the channel grow.